Hey guys, welcome back. I've started off with some contacts in my eyes already, and these are from Pinky Paradise. I'm going to be pinning back my hair in preparation for this cute little bunny we're going to be doing today. So I'm going to start off with my brows. I'm using this Too Faced brow pomade, and I'm filling in my brows. Next, I'm going to be taking some Kat Von D concealer and just cleaning up my brows with that in preparation for some eyeshadow primer. I'm going to be priming my eyes with none other than the Fenty Beauty eyeshadow primer. This is the best shadow primer in the entire world, hands down. It should win an award because it is the best. Buffing that in with my fingers, or pushing that in with my fingers gently. And I'm going to be working with the Too Faced Then and Now palette, and I'm obsessed with this color GG, so that's what we're going to be using, and we're going to be putting this everywhere in this crease. In this crease, guys. I'm not doing too much with my crease. I'm just putting this color in it because this eye look is it's pretty simple. The next step to this eye look is actually just doing kind of a cut crease. So I am cutting my crease with a concealer. This is the Kat Von D concealer. I am just cutting the crease. I don't know how to explain what I'm doing. I don't know. I'm doing something. And then I'm also angling it up kind of like a winged liner and bringing it in my inner tear duct as well. Did that make sense? Okay. I'm using this Mayron palette to set it, and I'm just using the matte white. I'm going to be putting something over top of this, so I'm not really focused on too much. I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics liner, and I'm just going to be creating a wing. It's a decent size wing, decent size. And you can also see how much skin I have on my eyelids right now. So I did switch to the Fenty Beauty eyeliner. I just find it easier on my left side to use this felt tip. I don't know, I'm crazy. Next, I'm going to be going in with a crystal liner from NYX, and I'm going to be going with that over top of where I set all of the white. Okay, I will talk about this. This does have like an alcohol in it, and your eyelids will burn. It's just a fact. They're gonna burn because it's drying down. It doesn't irritate them, at least I have never found that it irritates them, but it's gonna be a little warm. You're gonna feel a warming sensation. Now, this takes quite a while to dry as well, so be prepared to sit with your eyes closed for a while if you're gonna be applying this much onto your eyelids. I was getting impatient waiting for this to dry, so I went ahead with my complexion. I'm going to be going in with the Giorgio Armani foundation. This is, I think it was Luminous Silk, I think. I love this foundation. It makes me feel like it just makes me feel rich. So that's why I wanted to use it, because I'm like a bunny, I could do whatever I want. Now that my eyelids are drier, I am going to be putting on some NYX glitter, and this is in the shade, I believe it's Ice. It has like a nice like green tint to it, and I always think that pink and green are just phenomenal together, and I really like that contrast. So I'm just gonna pop some of that right on top of that glitter. I'm also using a tiny little bit of concealer just to hide any dark circles underneath my eyes. And then I am going to be setting that with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. Next, back in with that shade GG from the Too Faced palette. I'm just running that right underneath my eyes. I guess I could have done this to begin with, but I'm doing it now, and I'm using just an angled flat shader brush as well. I'm kind of meeting it up with that top GG up there as well. Now underneath my eyes, I'm leaving a gap between the bottom lash line and where I'm putting this line, and I'm just drawing this kind of almost straight downward as a new kind of line. And I'm also drawing on a few little wisps of lashes just because I'm not going to put any false lashes here, so I just wanted to draw a couple on. Then with the Urban Decay, this is a primer actually, but I love using it to do any like white detail work just because I love how it sets and dries down on like a cream. So I'm just filling in that line in between my wing liner and the black line that I just drew with the little lashes. And this is just giving the illusion of my eye being a little bit more open because, you know, I'm a doe-eyed little bunny, I guess. Mascara I'm using is Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. I'm just doing a little layer of that in prep for my lashes. On my inner tear ducts, I'm just reinforcing that white underneath my eye, and then I'm dragging that pink shade right underneath there as well, and then I'm just setting that white with the powder from the Mayrom palette, and then I'm also dragging my wing liner into my tear duct as well, just to define my eyes a bit more. Once I've done that, it is now time for some contour. I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Contour and Highlight Palette. Love this thing. It's so pigmented. I'm not doing too much contour. I'm just kind of defining my face. I'm not going super heavy because I'm going to be applying quite a bit of blush because I'm a bunny. Now I'm going in with the White Cream by Makeup Forever, and I'm highlighting my upper lip to give me that cute little bunny look, and I'm also going on my lip as well, and I'm just whiting that out just because I wish that was my lip was non-existent. I'm also doing a little bit of highlight on my cheeks just to make my cheeks look a little bit more round, and then down my nose as well. For my lipstick, I'm going to be using a Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, and I'm going to be applying this only on my upper lip. I chose this because it's a nice medium tone pink and it matches my GG color that I have on my eyes. I am leaving a tiny little gap empty in the center of my lip because I'm just going to be filling that in with black like you see here. So I'm just using a gel liner just to make it look like a little bunny lip. I saw a photo of a girl, I'll link the photo down below, and she did a little bunny, and that's what this is kind of inspired by. She did a cute little pink bunny. I thought this was just so cute, so I wanted to kind of create one of these as well. So I didn't create this, I didn't make this makeup up, it's inspired by this girl's bunny. Then I'm going into the NYX Sweet Cheeks palette and picking up a pink and just rubbing that right on the end of my nose, kind of dragging it up high because I am going to be painting my nose black as well. So I took a liner and drew right in the center of my Cupid's bow because this is going to connect. Look at this boy, he's just crazy. He's just always wanting my attention. It's going to connect my nose and my lip to make it look like my upper lip is in two little sections, like a little bunny. So I'm just drawing on my little bunny nose with a liner. For my cheeks, I also am using the Sweet Cheeks palette by NYX, and I'm applying a lot of blush, and I'm applying it really like whisked inward to make it look like I have nice little rosy cheeks. And this thing was so pigmented, I forgot how pigmented it was. This thing's like shocking. I love this palette. I then went ahead and reinforced some of those white highlights on my cheeks just to make it look super cute and like a little bunny. Oh, so cute. And I'm going in with the Maybelline, I think it's a what did that say? It's a highlighter of some sort. It's a Master Chrome. I think it's the holographic one. And I'm just highlighting the crap out of my face. That is it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one.